In this video, I'm going to show you how to make professional Afrobeats. Yeah, I know you've been making Afrobeats all this while, but be honest with yourself. Did your beats sound professional? Will big artists want to use your beats? But don't worry, because that's what I'm going to teach you in this video. And after this video, they will come calling on your news, begging to use your beats. So, without wasting time, let's get into it. Today I'm going to show you how I made these amazing beats. I'm going to show you every single step of it. So the first thing I did was the bounce, which is the drum. So I have this drum. Not so noisy, right? Yeah, very simple. The simpler, the better. So the next thing I did was adding this percussion. It's kind of nature feel if you listen to it. It has some sort of noises in the background, and that's why I love this. I love this percussion. So after the drum, I have this chord progression. For this sound, I use one shot. Yeah, I use a melody one shot for this sound. So and here is our chord. Sounding nice, yeah. Yeah, I know. Then after that, I layer it with this sound from Flex. Popular library. The same melody but different sound. So this are so after that I layered it with this sound again. Also from Flex. Almost every single melody of this beat is from Flex. So I was playing around with Flex and I keep liking every sound from it. And Flex is really an amazing plugin. You can check it out too. So that's sounding like this. So after that, I added this bass line. I use a one shot for this bass line also. So sounding like this. So together with everything. So in my next video, I'm going to show you the effect I added on every single element of this beat. I'm supposed to do that in this same video, but I want to keep it very short. So that will be in the next video. So subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you can be notified when I post the next video. So I added this also from Flex, something like this. So the next thing I added was also this sound again from chord. Oh my god, I love this sound, like really amazing one. It's named Breeze from chord, from Flex I mean. So after that, I also have this amazing melody. Don't be surprised, again also from Flex. And yeah, what's the name? It's a sine wave. So this is how it sounded. So after that, we have this. So it's the same melody with the chord, just different sound, and I change the voicing. And here we go. And I introduce this at the end part of the chorus. So I introduce this sound. Like I said, almost 80% of these beats is from Flex. and I layered it with this sound also. So this is how the two sounding together. So we have that, and the next sound we have is this, also from Flex. So lastly, we have this. As you can see, it's also a sound from Flex. So it sounded like this in the beat. So that's really everything I have going on this beat, and now I'm going to play for you guys to listen from intro to the chorus. And if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
If you said it, coach.